Hey, welcome to the show. Check out these awesome bookmarks. They have some beautiful, beautiful Bible verses printed on there. So many bookmarks to look at. With God, all things are possible. Isn't that true? The Lord is my strength and shield. Jesus is the light of the world. So once again, these bookmarks are made of a nice durable material. They have a nice shine to them. On the back, they have that ruler with a centimeter and an inch on there. Check out the company because there's going to be a lot of different buying options. You can get like 20 of them or even over 100 of them. And so when you get like over 100 of them, you'll have a lot of different Bible verses on these. These are great for the classroom, or maybe you just want to, hand them out to people in the, when you're walking out, outside at the stores or something like that. And when they get one of these, I'm sure it will brighten their day. These come with this very beautiful, colorful strap that you can insert right here in the pre-punched hole. And beautiful colors. I think you're going to be really happy with it. What more can you ask for? Check out the company. I would sure appreciate it if you hit that likey button down below. And like always, have a blessed, beautiful day. Adios. Goodbye.